In this live demo, you'll see exactly how to make your website answer visitor questions in real time. We'll type questions directly into the Asyntai AI chat widget and watch it pull answers from your own content. No scripting required. Understand how to effortlessly provide your website visitors with answers to their questions automatically. Prepare to witness a live demonstration of real visitor questions receiving accurate answers from the AI. The prominent chat bubble signifies the core functionality of this automatic question answering tool. Let's start with the big picture. Users often want a quick overview of a platform's capabilities, so here's a fundamental inquiry to kick things off. Here's how it responds. Asyntai offers instant 24/7 support, answering visitor questions with human-like speed. Train it with your own business information for accurate, contextual responses. Easily integrate Asyntai onto your website within minutes to start engaging visitors and boosting conversions. Now that we know what it can do, understanding how it achieves its intelligence is crucial for gaining trust and explaining the underlying technology. Let's see the answer. Getting Asyntai up and running is incredibly simple. It learns from your website, uploaded documents, and even direct instructions. You can also leverage FAQs and connect real-time data feeds for dynamic information. Plus, you can easily improve answers on the fly, making Asyntai continuously smarter. As we navigate through your website content, the AI remains readily available to answer questions within view. Naturally, a business owner's primary concern is how an AI can directly impact their operations, like providing specific product information to customers. See what it says. Asyntai becomes your ultimate product expert, understanding every detail of your catalog. It showcases products visually with all the information needed to guide customers. Plus, it provides real-time stock and pricing for ultimate accuracy and offers personalized recommendations to boost sales. It's natural to wonder about the AI's limitations. So, how does Asyntai handle queries it hasn't been trained on, ensuring a smooth user experience? This is the reply. When the AI lacks an answer, it clearly states it and offers visitor contact details for direct follow-up. You can tailor this to point them to a contact form or support page. To enhance its knowledge, you'll get tools to identify and teach it new information or even escalate conversations when needed. Every single response you will see thus far has been drawn exclusively from your website's knowledge base. Finally, the practical aspect. For many exploring new tools, affordability is a key factor, so let's see if Asyntai offers an accessible entry point. Here's the information. That's right, Asyntai offers a completely free plan to get you started. It includes 100 messages monthly, support for one website, and ample storage for your knowledge base. You can easily sign up and explore Asyntai's capabilities without any upfront investment. As you've seen, Asyntai provides instant answers. Ready to try it yourself? Visit asyntai.com for a free plan. No credit card needed, just paste one snippet to get started.